Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's provide a solution. Okay, now here I have given simultaneous equation, whereas we have x plus y equals 8, whereas xy equals 8x as second equation. We can find x in terms of y to get 8 minus y. Okay, after replace it in the second equation to get 8 minus y times y to get 8x. Okay, so to get 8x, and x is equal to 8 minus y also. Okay, then y times 8 is equal to 8 y minus y squared equals then 64. Okay, then minus 8y. By rearranging, negative y squared plus 8y will be 64 minus 8y. Okay, negative y squared plus 8y plus 8y minus 64 will be equals 0. Then by multiplying negative, y squared minus 16y plus 64 will be equals 0. Okay, so this is quadratic equation. We have to find the values of y. We know y1 and 2 will be negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 ac over a 2a. This is equal to 16 plus or minus square root of 256 as 16 squared. Okay, minus a 4 times 64 over a 2. Okay, this is equal to a 16 plus or minus square root of 256. Then this is 6125 over a 2. So this is equal to 16 plus or minus a 0, okay, over a 2. So we have one y which is equal to 16 over a 2. This is equal to 8. So that your y is equals 8. By finding the value of x, we know x plus y equals 8. X plus y is equal to 8 equals 8. Then our x will be a 0. So our coordinates are this one. We have 0, while our y is equal to 8. By finding to the second equation, we have xy equals 8x. So that here we know this is a 0 times 8 will be 0 times 8. And we know we have 0 equals a 0. This is our coordinate of x, y, which equals 0 and 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.